now you've disappeared somewhere, like out of space. You found some better place, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah. Like the deserts miss the rain. Hello, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Missing by Everything But the Girl. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string uke, so grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Like the deserts miss the rain. Could you be there? Okay, so we have a few parts in the song. The first one is the first verse, actually, which is kind of like an intro. We stay only on A minor on it. And also I'm doing a little walk here on the A string. Basically on the A string I'm doing open, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, open, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. But if that's too complicated for you, you can just strum A minor, that will be perfectly fine. Stepped off the train, I'm walking down your street again. I passed your door, but you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there. Now you've disappeared somewhere, like out of space. Found some better place, and I miss you. And here we go to the chorus, which is A minor to F, then to G, and then to D minor. But also I'm doing a little picking here with the right hand. I'm doing something like. So what is that? I'm playing the A and G string together, and then E, C, A, E, C, A, E, going to the next chord, where I'm doing exactly the same. All right, so, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain. And then for the next verse, we actually have a few more chords. So I think there are 3 more verses where we play A minor once, then to E minor 7, then back to A minor, and then to G. All right? And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. But of course, feel free to do your own, because actually this is not the strumming in the song, it's just my interpretation of it. Could you be there? Always were 2 steps ahead of everyone. We walk behind while you were drunk. I look up at your house, and I can almost hear you shout down to me, where I always used to be. And here on the next chorus you can add a little bit more strums. And I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain. Actually, I'm trying to build up dynamic throughout the song. So the first verse is very quiet, the first chorus a little bit louder but still quiet. Then the next verse a little bit louder, the next chorus a little bit louder, and you know, you get the point. And then after the third chorus, we repeat the words for the first verse, but very quiet, maybe just one strum. I stepped off the train, walking down your street again. I past your door, but you don't live there anymore. It's years since it's been clear. That was from another song. Now you disappeared somewhere, like outer space. Got some better place and I miss you. But here we don't enter the chorus, we enter the bridge, for which we just play A minor to E7, and then and I miss you. Stay on A minor. You found some better place, and here it should be the explosion of the song. So as loud as you can. And I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain. And I miss you, oh, like the deserts miss the rain. And I miss you. This is how you finish the song. Just repeat the chorus a bunch of times, and whenever you want, just finish it on A minor, for example. Well, that's my tutorial for missing. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you'll see me on the next video. Goodbye.